Since the first market opened, the cryptocurrency market has grown a lot. Many people are jumping on the bandwagon in the hopes of building wealth that will last for generations. But more than just hope is needed. You have to work hard and make the right move at the right time. Investments create financial stability now and in the future. You can use them to grow your wealth and get returns that are higher than inflation. In our technologically advanced world, cryptocurrency is the most popular way to invest. You can't count on one hand the number of top cryptocurrency-related YouTube channels that don't include Ben Armstrong, aka Bitboy. If this name sounds familiar, you probably already know about his cryptocurrency-related YouTube videos, but he is also an investor and a supporter of alternative finance. Americans are well known because of websites and YouTube channels that give tips and news about the crypto market. In 2012, Ben started putting his money into the cryptocurrency market. But when Bitcoin first became popular, it piqued his interest. He tried to back it, but the Mt. Gox hack, like many others, messed up his plans. He got back on his feet when he decided to work full-time on cryptocurrency in 2018. Even though he had about 1 million subscribers, many more people watched his videos. Millions of investors are trying to keep track of blockchain-based cryptocurrencies that could skyrocket to take advantage of future market volatility. Now, trading and investing in cryptocurrencies is very different from traditional investments because it is a very open community with few or no barriers to entry. To invest in cryptocurrencies, traders need a smartphone and usually start with a small amount. However, on some platforms, it can take up to 5 minutes to get started. So, if you want to invest in Ripple, you need to know what makes it different from other cryptocurrencies. Popular currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others try to be decentralized, but Ripple is the only one who owns XRP. Some people think that Bitcoin is the best way for banks to serve people. Ripple wants to make a cryptocurrency to fill a specific need in the financial industry. Ripple will turn its token into a coin bank so that money can be sent quickly and easily across borders. But companies like Bitcoin are working hard to compete with banks or even take their place. This new idea gives banks a huge chance to use Ripple and its XRP solution to get ahead in the market. But it also means that news about banks accepting cryptocurrencies and how they are regulated will have a big effect on the XRP market. It may seem like a contradiction, but Ripple was one of the worst performing crypto assets in 2019. This is because it has a complicated 2020 and the years leading up to it, but its future after 2022 looks very good. But this means that there is a lot of room for improvement. It is important to look back a few more years and at the waves that XRP has gone through in its history to understand how it will do in 2022 and how 2020 will shape it. Also, why does it look the most promising? In 2012, Ripple released XRP, which had 100 billion pre-mined tokens. This is a lot more than the limit of 21 million coins for Bitcoin. Also, XRP currencies can be made in larger quantities than Bitcoin coins could when they first came out. XRP was worth about $0.005, and prices were mostly stable until 2017, when the whole cryptocurrency market saw an increase that had never happened before. Most people know that Bitcoin's price peaked in December 2017, but XRP's price peaked in April and May of the same year at 40 cents per token before dropping to the 20 to 30 cent range for the next 6 months. After the Bitcoin boom, the altcoin season began. By the middle of December 2017, the price of XRP had gone from 27 cents to 51 cents, which was an increase of 84% in a single day. In the next 2 weeks, XRP went over the $1 mark. By the end of the year, it had reached an incredible high of $2.30, which was 38,000% higher than where it started. By February 2018, however, XRP had dropped below $1. Since everything that goes up must come down at some point. In 2020. In 2019, XRP was still behind other well-known cryptocurrencies that were making gains. XRP had trouble deciding if investing in Ripple in 2022 was still a good idea. If you want to know if you should do it, you need to know the coin's history, But to back up this claim, you need to look for key ideas. XRP is good for a wide range of traders and investors. It's a great call for anyone interested in cryptocurrencies because it's a different coin from Bitcoin. It is well known and stable enough to be a top 5 coin on the market. Like being an altcoin. Since XRP is a coin for well-known financial institutions, it can also be used to make money for investors in the financial sector in the United States. So, XRP is a good choice for anyone who wants to invest in the future of transactions and payments. The XRP token is also affected by factors that differ from those that affect other cryptocurrencies. So, it could be used as a way to protect your money when you invest in foreign currencies. The most important thing to remember about XRP is that it is a very volatile asset that is great for day traders because it gives them a lot of opportunities to trade in the short term, whether they want to buy or sell. Because Ripple's platform meets the needs of many financial institutions and other companies in the industry. Adoption by a lot of people is also a key market driver. So, whenever a well-known company joins the platform, it could make it more valuable. Critics and skeptics of cryptocurrencies like Senator Elizabeth Warren and other legal and financial experts say that the Ripple lawsuit seriously weakens laws that protect investors and the financial system. Concerns about instability that could lead to a financial crisis are making people want to stop a trend that could spread quickly. In the past 2 years, cryptocurrencies have grown very quickly, which has made organizations that offer a wide range of digital assets and services become more open. A lot of people want people to be responsible. At first, Gensler is welcomed by Ripple and the cryptocurrency community. In a previous interview with Protocol All, Garati said that since he taught blockchain and technology at MIT, he thought it would be great for someone like Gary Gensler to take over. This view has changed quickly. Gensler has said that he will be proactive about cryptocurrencies as well. Alderati, who has been criticizing Gensler on Twitter, says that the SEC and Gensler are trying to mess up the market in any way they can. Gensler said in his November 2020 speech that this might be called increased regulation by some market participants, but he didn't name any specific companies or executives. The SEC planned to sue the financial company in San Francisco as soon as 2020. CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that this was a strange move because regulators are usually the first ones to list Ripple. When the SEC announced it, no one knew what it was about, but now the SEC is putting out a press release that explains what their complaint is about. Garlinghouse sent a memo to its employees with a response to what the SEC said. He talked about a lot of different things, including an overview of different points of view. He also said that Chris Larson Ripple and he would be sued by the SEC for defamation because of Bitboy stock and insider information. Ripple's team of hardline lawyers didn't win, and Ripple is now hoping for a big change in the case. If true, this is a risky move for Ripple, but Garlinghouse probably sees it as a chance to move the US crypto industry forward. Click the subscribe button to stay up to date and tell us what you think in the comments below.